G'day guys, here we are at the number 27 framing half lap joint. It's quite similar to the one we did before, the corner half lap. One piece looks like it'd almost be exactly the same, but the other piece, so this would be like in a frame if you had, this piece was like a rail running along and needed to join up with your stile or something like that, where you needed just a little half lap joint so it nests in there nicely. So let's see, maybe we'll start off with the long piece. So we'll grab a rectangle. We need to draw it 19 millimeters wide and 126 millimeters long. So 19,16. We're going to push it up by 42 millimeters. 42, enter. Okay, now we've got our 3D shape. Let's triple click, make it a component. Component 1, great. Double click on it and we can start editing this component. Now, from this back corner, we need to come 42 millimeters in. So 42. This piece of timber is 42 millimeters wide. So let's do another 42. And then we could probably just use the pencil tool to draw from here straight up and here straight up. Now, again, we can see it goes half the thickness of the material in, which is 9.5. So let's push that in, 9.5, enter. Okay, that's that piece done. Great, okay. So there's a few different ways we could go about drawing the next piece. I'll show you one way, might be the easiest way to do it. If we go from this corner and we draw this at 42, there's that shape there, and we need to push it down. How far? So that's 42 millimeters plus 58. Oh God, what is that? That's 100. So we push this one down 100 millimeters. Okay. We'll triple click on it and make it a component. Create. But you'll see that where we are now, if we move one of the pieces out of the way, like this one for example, it doesn't. It's like clashing. We haven't taken out the part of the corner there we need to take out. So let's double click on it. And the easiest way to do that is simply just to draw a line from that intersection to that intersection. And then we can push this face through to halfway, 9.5 millimeters. All right. Now, if we look at it, if we go to the move tool, we can see that we've got that the half lap kind of joint. All right. If we move this one out of the way, we can see it again. Okay. So there is a nice framing half lap joint. See if it fits in nicely there. Perfect. So we'll quickly paint them. One dark, one light. We will delete our guides. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, so file, save, 27, framing half lap. There we go. Okay, file, new, and our next joint is a mortise and tenon. Okay, cool. I'll see you in the next video.